Alright, let's do this one. Sine 31,5. How is 31,5 related to 63? We have to write this angle in terms of 63. Okay, 31,5 times 2 will give us 63. So we can use double angle formula here and say 1 minus 2 sine squared 31,5. Okay, this must be equal to cos 2 times 31,5 degrees. Okay, remember cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So we can easily make sine 31,5 our subject here. Alright, so it becomes 1 minus 2 sine squared 31,5 degrees is equal to cos 63. And then cos 63 is square root of 1 minus m squared. So 1 minus 2 sine squared 31,5 degrees is equal to the square root of 1 minus m squared. Right? Then we can subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. We remain negative 2 sine squared 31,5 degrees is equal to square root of 1 minus m squared minus 1. Right, we divide both sides by negative 2. We have sine squared 31,5 degrees is equal to negative square root of 1 minus m squared over 2, and then plus 1 over 2. We have divided both sides by negative 2, right? And then this one can be rewritten as the denominators are the same, so we can add the numerators. So it can be written as sine squared 31,5 degrees is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 minus m squared, all this over 2. And then to get sine 31,5, this is what we want. We can square root both sides. So we remain with sine 31,5 degrees, which is equal to the square root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus m squared over 2. Okay.